Hello, my name is Ricky Walter, and I'm going to be focusing this week's imagery on attempting a free throw in a basketball game. So, if we start, we're imagining that we're walking up. Just imagine, Professor, that you're walking up to the free throw line. You see your teammates and your opponents lined up on the lane line on either side of you. Imagine it's game 7 of the NBA Finals. 1 second left on the clock. Tie ball game. And you're at the line to make the free throws to win the game. Imagine that crowd you're on the road. Imagine, we've all done this as a kid. You're standing at the free throw line. Fans screaming and booing at you. And you're just sitting there. Imagine the referee tossing you the ball. Feeling that ball in your hand. Feeling that leather. Just imagine taking the ball. You want to line up those grooves in the ball to be perpendicular to your fingertips. Look down at the free throw line. Every court has a nail hole on the free throw line where it centers at the rim. So you want to take your shooting hand, which is for me your right hand. So you want to take your right foot, center it on that nail hole. Take your left foot and have it about shoulder width apart. Just imagine your feet on that floor were centered. We have the foundation set. From there, everybody has a different approach or a different routine. So I'm going to share with you my routine. And I know I keep closing my eyes. Just imagine my eyes are closed. I'm focused. Have my feet set. My right foot is on the nail hole. I take my 3 dribbles. 1 dribble. 2 dribbles. 3 dribbles. Put both hands on the ball. And I take a couple deep breaths. I open my eyes. I put the ball in the shooting position. So with my right hand, the ball is grasped along my finger pads, not on my palm, with my fingertips in the channel of the ball. My left hand, which is my guide hand, is on the side towards the top of the ball next to my hand. I'm ready. As I'm getting ready, I'm looking at the rim. But just not the front of the rim. Not the side of the rim. You want to look at the back of the rim. I look and I focus at the back of the rim. My hand's on the ball. I take another breath. I bend my knees. I bend down, not too far, a slight bend. So maybe my knees are at, just imagine, at 45-degree angle. Knees bent. Ball is down just above shoulder length on the right side of my body. So I'm going to follow the motion right past my right ear. I extend from my crouch. I rise up, maintaining good form. Elbow bent next to my body. Ball just below my ear now. Raising up, pushing through my feet. Right, I want to use my entire body for this free throw. Rising up. And in one shooting motion, I'm raising my legs. Now, instead of being flat on my feet, on my toes, I'm raising up slowly on my toes. Ball is up past my ear. Raising up, at the whole time staring at the back of the rim. Creating my shot. Ball is released. I'm up high on my toes. I release. Nice and high. I hold my follow through. Keeping my good form. All the way to the top. And I'm going to hold my follow through. You're going to hold your follow through till the ball hits the rim, but most likely, based on my focus, it's going to go through the back, towards the back of the rim, through the net, and it's good. Holding my follow through until this is completed. And I just imagined winning Game 7 on the road, an NBA title, just like everybody's boyhood dream. That is my version of imagery with a free throw shot. And hope you enjoyed it. Love this class. Can't wait for the following weeks. Stay safe out there. Thanks. Bye.